Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Kia Soul door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a 10mm socket wrench, and plastic trim removal tools. Having a flashlight and gloves can also be very helpful. Make sure you have your replacement handle or any necessary repair parts on hand. For safety, always disconnect your car's battery before beginning any electrical work. To access the handle mechanism, you'll need to remove the interior door panel. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, often found near the armrest, door handle, or under small covers. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry off the window control panel and other trim pieces. Then, carefully work your way around the door's edges, releasing the plastic clips that secure the panel. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors before lifting the panel off. With the door panel removed, you can now access the handle mechanism. Identify and disconnect the connecting rods or cables that link the handle to the latch assembly. These often have small plastic clips that need to be gently released. Next, remove the bolts or screws holding the old handle in place, typically a 10mm bolt for exterior handles. Carefully remove the broken handle, then install your new handle, ensuring all rods and cables are properly reconnected and secured. Now it's time to reassemble your door. First, reconnect all electrical wiring harnesses to the window switch and other door panel components. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, pressing firmly around the edges to ensure all plastic clips snap securely into place. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces that you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and thoroughly test the new door handle, window operation, and door locks to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.